Alright, check it out guys. We just wrapped up a full front end paint protection film job on this 2012 Cayman R. Full front end, the fender, the hood. We took some things apart, such as these headlights. We were able to remove these headlights, the washer fluid sprayers, and this side reflector, just to get a nice cleaner install. We tucked the film in behind the light, and there's no seam here as well because we took these headlights out. And of course the hood is wrapped all the way around. Came out looking super clean. We did a bulk install on this bumper, so it was a custom cut, custom fit, just to minimize seams and edges. The owner has pretty low miles on this car for a 2012, and he wanted to start driving it more often, so this is a vehicle we had in the shop 3 years ago for a ceramic coating, and it's back in for a front end film just because he wants to drive it more. He wants to keep it protected. So if you guys have any questions about this service, you guys want to bring in your vehicles to get protected, hit us up. We're happy to help.